In this video, you will learn how to cook kabocha. So sweet and so soft, you'll swear you're eating pumpkin pie. Plus, you'll learn just what makes kabocha so healthy, and I will compare kabocha to potatoes and sweet potatoes so you can find out which carb is right for you. I'm Rich Golden with GX2. Let's get cooking. Kabocha is the winter squash known as Japanese pumpkin. It's famous for its sweet flavor, low calories, and has a great source of beta-carotene and vitamins A and C. A serving of kabocha only has 49 calories, which is 30 calories less than a serving of potatoes and 85 calories less than a serving of sweet potatoes. This means for a serving of sweet potatoes, you could eat an additional 70 grams of normal potatoes, or an additional 175 grams of kabocha. This makes kabocha a great choice when you want to lose weight because you can eat more and feel fuller for the same amount of calories. On the other hand, a serving of kabocha equals 62 grams of potatoes or only 37 grams of sweet potatoes. This makes sweet potatoes a great choice if you want to gain muscle but are having trouble eating enough carbs. To cook the kabocha, first, use a spoon or fork to scoop out the seeds. If you have a thick block of kabocha, like I have here, cut it into 2 thin slices shaped like crescent moons. Next, put a slice of kabocha on a microwave-safe plate and cook it at 600 watts for 4.5 minutes. Once finished, take the kabocha out and cut it with a knife. It should cut smooth and easy. Now that's how kabocha is done. The look, taste, and texture of your kabocha will vary depending on what prefecture it's from and how fresh it is. So you can eat the kabocha warm, or my personal favorite, put it in the fridge, let it get cold, then eat it as a sweet dessert, which is what I have right here. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. That's good. So did you learn how to cook kabocha? If so, subscribe to my channel. And what's your favorite? Is it the kabocha, potatoes, or sweet potatoes? Let me know by leaving a comment below this video right now. And until next time, keep on cooking.